Bianca. So that's our very long video para sa journey ng dalawa. And I know what the catchers want to hear something from them. So any short message po para sa catchers po. So, kita po tayo.
Message?
Someday we meet again and have a need for more than reminiscing. Maybe this time there'll be love and we'll find. Maybe now they can be more than just friends. She's back in his life, and it feels so right. Maybe this time love won't end. It's the same old thing.
Guys, grabe itong ginawa nyo para sa ating first ever. How do you call this, family? Ano ba, gathering, lahat tayo dito, nagsama-sama para gumawa ulit ng isang napakagandang memorya na dadalhin natin sa ating buhay. Unang-una, kami po ay nagpapasalamat ni Bianca, ni Biancs. Kasi ang dami nating pinagdaanan, daming mga hamon sa buhay na hinarap natin. Yet, nandito pa rin kayo. Pinapakita niyo yung pagmamahal at suporta ninyo sa amin. Wow, grabe guys. Sobrang grateful lang kami. Sobrang thankful talaga sa inyong pagmamahal at suporta. Sana huwag kayong magsawa. Patuloy lang kayong kumapit. Pero grabe, thank you guys. Maraming salamat dito. Kung masasabi ko lang na sobrang masaya kami ni Bianca ngayon at sobrang nag-enjoy kami. I love you all. We love you guys.
Unang-una sa lahat, gusto namin magpasalamat sa aming minamahal na admins for mounting this. We know this isn't easy and this takes a lot of hard work and dedication, and thank you. This is a dream come true for both Will and I. Talagang pinasaya yung mga puso namin, and this is a memory that we will hold forever in our hearts. So thank you for sharing this memory with us. Next, ewan ko, siguro now that I'm looking at all of you, sobrang nasasenti ako because, you know, a few years back, parang, let's be honest, Will and I, we were both in one project together and we used to dream of times like these. Honestly, hindi kasi namin alam nung time na yun kung yun na ba yung magiging last project namin together. So we were really hoping, we were doing our best in that project, hoping na makakapag-gain kami ng supporters and fans like you guys. Pero, I guess it wasn't time back then. Hindi pa natin time back then. Pero, diba? So to our Will catchers, here we are. 2 years after. So, thank you for being here. Now I think it's our time, kaya feeling ko tinaghana talaga tayo para sa isa't isa. So, yan. Mahal na mahal namin kayo. And Ano pa ba? We love you. We love you so much. And here's to more memories, guys.
Yeah. Thank you, Bianca and Will, for that wonderful message. And guys, gusto niyo ba group pic tayo with them?
Yes!
Ayan, okay lang po ba?
Kahit tayo na lang. Kahit tayo na lang po. Kahit tayo na lang. Okay lang po ba? Okay.
Okay lang po ba papatay ng lights? Pipicturean daw po ni Will ang... Ayan. Pati to.
Yung sa light daw po
Light po sa harap.
Brighter.
Dapat po naka ilaw po sa catchers po sana. Yung ilaw.
Ayan.
Ayan. Okay lang po nakatayo. If ever. Ay, gusto niyo po. Ayan, thank you so much. Ayan, thank you so much,
Thank
Will and
you.
Bianca. Thank you so much. Thank you so much. Thank you. Tama tayo. Ay, okay lang po ba nakasama kami?
Gusto ko niyan yung t-shirt, please. Can I wear it now? I love you so bad. I want it.
Ayan. Ayan, wow. Kinilig kayo na. Kinilig kayo sa kanyang dalawa. So, para ituloy ang kilig,